Ever wondered why you can say 2 apples, but not 2 milks? Or why furniture doesn't become furniture? Today, we're breaking down a grammar topic that confuses even native speakers: countable versus uncountable nouns. Let's fix that once and for all. What are countable and uncountable nouns? In English, nouns are grouped into two main types based on how we measure them. Countable nouns, these can be counted. You can say 1, 2, 3. Uncountable nouns, these cannot be counted directly. For example, countable, 1 notebook, 2 notebooks. Uncountable, water, rice, advice. Countable nouns, these are things you can count using numbers. Examples: book, car, dog, apple, chair. They have singular forms: a dog, a chair. Plural forms: dogs, chairs. She bought 3 books. Can I have an apple? Uncountable nouns, these cannot be counted individually. They're often liquids, milk, water, grains or powders, rice, flour, sugar, abstract ideas, happiness, knowledge, materials, wood, gold, activities or subjects, homework, physics. They do not use a or an. They do not have a plural form. And information, some information. Exceptions, types versus amounts. Sometimes uncountable nouns look countable because we talk about types. Different cheeses refers to types of cheese. A few wines from Italy refers to varieties, not volume. So cheeses and wines are okay in this context. Now let's group some common uncountable nouns. Substances: water, sugar, oil, butter. Abstract ideas: love, peace, success. Activities: sleeping, dancing, smoking. Natural elements: air, wind, heat. Subjects: math, history, music. Values: honesty, courage, freedom. Collective mass nouns: furniture, equipment, luggage. Example: he showed great courage. This equipment is expensive. Now partitives. To describe quantities of uncountable nouns, we use partitives. Examples: a bottle of water, 3 slices of cheese, a piece of advice, a cup of milk, 2 bags of flour. Only the partitive becomes plural. 3 glasses of juice, not 3 juices, unless you're talking about types. Quantifiers. Some words, called quantifiers, go only with countable nouns: many, a few, several. Uncountable nouns: much, a little. Examples: I don't have much sugar left. We have many chairs. A few students arrived late. Some quantifiers work for both. Some, any, enough, a lot of. There are common mistakes to avoid. Don't say I need an advice. Rather say some advice. Avoid saying there are many informations. You can say much information. Don't say the news are good. Say the news is good. And remember, hair is usually uncountable. Her hair is long. I found a hair in my soup. Refers to a single strand. Quiz time. Let's test what you've learned. You have 2 minutes to try these 10 questions. Write your answers in the comments. 1. Furniture. Is it countable or uncountable? 2. Apples, countable or uncountable? 3. We need some dash to finish the report. Information or informations? 4. Which is correct? A. She gave me an advice. B. She gave me a piece of advice. 5. Which one is uncountable? A. Team. B. Rice. 6. He bought 3 dash of bread. A. Breads. B. Loaves. 7. Choose the correct quantifier. I have dash patience today. A. Much. B. Many. 8. Luggage, countable or uncountable? 9. Can I get a glass of water? Which is the partitive? 10. There were 2 dash people in the room. A. Much. B. Many. Answers. 1. Uncountable. Furniture refers to a group of items like chairs, tables, and sofas. We don't say a furniture or furnitures. Instead, we say some furniture or a piece of furniture. 2. The answer is countable. You can count apples. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, and so on. This makes apple a countable noun. 3. We need some dash to finish the report. Information or informations? Answer. Information. Information is uncountable. It doesn't take an S at the end. You can't say informations in standard English. 4. The answer to this is B. She gave me a piece of advice. Advice is uncountable, so you can't use an before it. To refer to one item of advice, we say a piece of advice. 5. Rice B. Rice is uncountable because it's made up of tiny grains we don't count individually. Team is a countable collective noun. You can say 1 team, 2 teams. 6. Answer B. Loaves. Bread is uncountable, so we use a partitive. Loaves is the correct partitive. 1 loaf, 2 loaves. 7. Answer A. Much. Patience is uncountable, so we use much. Many is only used with countable nouns. 8. Uncountable is the answer. Luggage refers to baggage in general and is treated as uncountable in English. We say some luggage or a piece of luggage, not luggages. 9. Glass. Glass is the partitive because it represents a container or portion of the uncountable noun water. 10. Answer B. Many. People is countable, so we use many. Much is only used for uncountable nouns. Confused nouns? Not anymore. Like, comment your score and subscribe for more clear grammar tips.
Thank you.